Hello friends, welcome to Lorna's Planet. Friends, this is our second session on the topic, the divisibility tests. In the previous session, we discussed about 2, 3, 4 and 5. We discussed the divisibility tests and we even took various examples. In this session, we are going to discuss about the divisibility tests of 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So, please pay attention and let's begin. Now friends, the first divisibility test over here is of the number 6. So the rule that applies to number 6 is, a number will be divisible by 6 if the digit at the units place of the number is divisible by 2 and sum of all digits of the number is divisible by 3. Okay? So we'll take an example to understand this. For example, we'll first take a 2-digit number. Suppose we've got this number 72. Now over here, the units digit should be divisible by 2. So 2 is very well divisible by 2, right? And now the addition of both of these numbers should be divisible by 3. So 7 plus 2, that's equal to 9. And 9 is divisible by 3. So therefore, 72 as a whole is divisible by 6, right? Now friends, you might think, like suppose when you've got a 7 or 8 digit number, you might worry whether you'll be able to find whether that number is divisible by 6 or not. But you actually don't need to worry about that. All you need to concentrate is first on the units digit and later you're just supposed to add all the digits and then find whether that number, find whether the sum is divisible by 3 or not, right? So we'll take an example for that. Suppose we've got this number 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 6, right? So 6, it is divisible by 2. Now the sum of all these numbers, so that is 7 plus 8 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6. So that is 6 plus 4, that's 10. 13, 14, 14 plus 8, that's 22, 22 plus 7, that's 29, right? And 29 is not divisible by 3. So that means that this number 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 6, it is not divisible by 6. Now suppose we've got this number 1, 2, 6, 1, 4, 6, right? So that's 6, that is divisible by 2. Now 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 1 plus 6. I missed this one out, so I put it over here, right? Okay. So that's 1 plus 2, that's 3. 3 plus 6, that's 9. 9 plus 4, that's 13 plus 1. 14 and 14 plus 6, that's 20, and 20, it is not divisible by 3. That's why this number, it is not divisible by 3. Now suppose we've got this number 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 3. Okay, no, or else you'll put this 3 over here and that's 6, right? We've got this number, so 6, that's divisible. Now that's 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6. So that's 3, that's plus 3, that's 6, that's 9, that's plus 3, that's 12, 12 plus 6, it's 18. And 18 is divisible by 3, therefore this number, it is divisible by 6. Okay, I hope you understood this method. Now we'll take the next method. Now friends, we'll discuss the divisibility test of the number 7. Okay, divisibility test of 7. Make 2 sets of 3 numbers. Start from units digit. Okay, so first suppose we'll take 9 numbers. Okay, that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so that's 1, that's 2 and that's 3. So we have 3 sets of 3-digit numbers over here. Okay, but we have to start from the unit place. Okay, so 876, that is 1, this is 1 set. 3, 4, 5, that's the second set, and 0, 1, 2, that's the third set. Always remember to start from the units place. Then add the alternate sets, which means that we have to add these both sets. So okay, so it's 3, the set number 3 plus set number 1. Okay, and if we had a fourth set, then the second set and the fourth set would have been added. Okay, and find out the mutual difference, which means that after adding the alternate sets, we have to subtract the other set from it. So when we add set number 3 and 1, we have to subtract the sum of set number 4 and set number 2. If it is 0 or any multiple of 7, if the answer that we get, the difference, is 0 or any multiple of 7, then the given number is divisible by 7. Now friends, just keep this point in mind. Don't apply the divisibility test for less than 4 digit. Okay, the number should be minimum comprising of 4 digits. Okay, because direct division will be faster than to apply the test. Okay, so now we'll take some examples for this, so that this method is clear to you, this divisibility test of 7. Okay, so the first example over here is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll make 3 sets, that's 5, 6, 7. We have to start from the units place. Okay, so that's set number 1, then 2, 3, 4, that's set number 2, and 0, 0, 1, that's set number 3. Now we're supposed to add over here the set number 1 and set number 3. So over here 5, 6, 7 and 0, 0, 1, they have been added. Okay, and we're supposed to subtract the addition of set number 2 and set number 4. But as we don't have any set number 4, we're supposed to add these two and subtract this from the sum. Okay, so what the answer that we get is 334. But since 334 is not divisible by 7, the given number is also not divisible by 7. So all you need to check is that after you get the addition and the subtraction of this number, you're supposed to check whether the number that you got over here is divisible by 7 or not. If it's not divisible, then the whole number, it is also not divisible by 7. Okay, so the next example over here is 5, 6, 7, 6. So we'll again form group. That's set 1. As we only have 4 digits, so only one set will be made, and this is a small set of one number. Okay, so from 6, 7, 6 we will subtract 5 and we get 6, 7, 1. But 6, 7, 1 is not divisible by 7. So this number 5, 6, 7, 6 is also not divisible by 7. So this is the next example, friends. Over here again we'll make sets of 3. So the first set is 6, 4, 7, the other is 31. We only have 2, but never mind. This is the first set and that's the second set. Now the second set should be subtracted from the first set. So we get 616, and this number, it is very well divisible by 7, which means that 31647 is also divisible by 7. Okay, so this is really easy, but you definitely need practice for this, and if you don't practice, you ought to forget it, right? So please practice this divisibility test of 7. Now friends, this same test, it is actually applicable for 11 and 13. Okay, but instead of the sum of this number, the result, instead of it being divisible by 7, in this case it should be divisible by 11 in 11's case and 13 in 13's case. We will discuss such problems in the next session when we will discuss about the divisibility test of 11 and 13. Okay, now friends, we'll talk about the divisibility rule of the number 8, right? So a number will be divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits all together are divisible by 8, okay? Remember, the last 3 digits all together should be divisible by 8. So suppose you've got this number 1, 2, 3 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, right? Now over here we need to concentrate on this, okay? So 2, 4, 6 divided by 8. So in 24 that's 3 times, and in 6 it doesn't come, right? So we'll get some decimal quotient. That means that this number will not be divisible by 8, okay? Fine, because the last 3 digits altogether should be divisible by 8. We shouldn't get any decimal quotient, okay? It should be completely divisible, right? So now we've got this number 9898448, right? So 448, that's divided by 8, so that's 5 and that's 6, right? So that we get 56 as a quotient. That means that this number is divisible by 8. Okay, now we'll take one more number. We'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So we need to concentrate on 4, 5, 6. It's 4, 5, 6 divided by 8, so that's 5 times, and then 56, that's 7 times, right? That means that 8 is dividing this number, so this number, it is divisible by 8, right? I hope you understood this. Now we'll take the next divisibility test, that's of number 9. Now friends, we're going to discuss about the divisibility test of the number 9, right? A number will be divisible by 9 if sum of all its digits is divisible by 9, right? So here, for example, we've got this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So it's 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, right? Now the sum that we get, it should be divisible by 9. So 1 plus 2, that's 3. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. And 15 plus 6, 21. Now to check whether 21 is divisible by 9 or not. And 21 is not divisible by 9, right? Okay. So that means that this number, it is not divisible by 9. Now suppose we've got this number 7 plus, like that's 7, 2, 9, 8, 1, 3, 3, 6, 3. Fine. Now we should check whether this number is divisible or not. That's 7 plus 2 plus 9 plus 8 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3, right? So 7 plus 2, that's 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 8 plus 1, that's 9, 18 plus 9, 27, 27 plus 3, 30, 33, 39, 39 plus 3 would be 42, 42 plus 3 would be 45, right? And 45, it is divisible by 9, right? So that means this number as a whole, it is divisible by 9. Okay, I hope you understood the divisibility test of the number 9. Now we'll go to the number 10, right? So this is the divisibility test rule of the number 10, right? So a number will be divisible by 10 if its last digit is 0. Now this rule we already know, right? It's very easy. We've been learning from like junior classes, like from 3rd, 4th, right? So suppose we've got this number 59803, 5, right? So the unit digit, it is not 0. That like it is not equal to 0, that means this number, it is not divisible by 10. But now in the same number, if we add a 0 behind, then this number, it will be divisible by 10, right? Now suppose we have 98980010. That's 0 in the end. That means this number, it is divisible by 10. Okay? Now we'll take one more example. 7800708910. That's again 0, so this number is divisible. That's 89543123. So that's not 0. That means this number is not divisible. I hope you understood this also, right? Thank you friends for watching this session. I hope you understood the divisibility test or the divisibility rule of the number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Please do practice so that it becomes more clear, specifically number 7, right? Okay, so thank you once again. I'll see you in the next session. Bye.